First, you put on a black bead, a silver bead, and a black bead. Now you put on the carved wooden bead, then a black bead, a silver bead, a black bead, and then the cross. Make sure you go through the large loop on the cross charm. Now you put on your first wooden bead, and then 2 black beads, and then the next wooden bead, until you have used up 10 wood beads. If you are making a confirmation bracelet, make sure you do black, silver, black between each of your wood beads so that the bracelet is a larger size. And bead, it's time to put on 3 black beads, a little silver, and 3 black beads. And now it's time to attach your clasp using the crimp bead. First, put your crimp bead on the end of your wire. Then you take the loop and you put the loop on the wire, and then you go back only through the crimp bead. Also go up through a few of the black beads just so that the string is more secure. Once you've done that, pull so that the loop is secured next to the beads. Now you can take flat nose pliers and squeeze the crimp bead. Then you can take wire cutters and cut off the remainder of the wire. And your bracelet is done. We hope you enjoyed making your bracelet.